Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about who do we attract in our lives. The people in our lives are the content of our lives. Without them, our lives would look like this room, empty and hostile, not a pleasant place to stay. But how can we learn by observing and being aware about the people around us? How can that help us learn about ourselves? If, for example, we are surrounded predominantly by negative people who complain, who are not showing initiative, who don't follow their dreams, maybe this means that we share the same attitudes like they, and we attract each other. On the other side, if we are surrounded by positive-driven people who follow their dreams, who don't stop in front of the obstacles, then this means that maybe we also share this kind of attitude and we attract each other. So the basic premise is that similarities attract each other. Yes, many people say opposites attract each other, and sometimes this happens. But more of the cases, most of the time, is the other way around. People tend to attract each other based on similarities in values, interests, careers, background, and so on. So how can that help us? By observing our circle of people, our environment, we can definitely see if we are doing something not efficiently. So if we have a lot of negative people, this means that we became negative as well. But if we have, let's say, a lot of successful people around us who are ahead of us, we should not necessarily be depressed that we are not so high achievers, but simply to understand that from these people we learn, we capture from them, and they are good for our development. So the bottom line is that if we want to grow, we also have to be aware and to observe what is our environment, because our environment is to a very big extent shaped by us, by our attitudes, and we attract people similar to us. So be positive, be successful, and be efficient. This is the way to personal leadership. Take care and see you soon.